Hello everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to post photos on the Quora application. For this guys, you need to open up your Quora application, and from over here you just need to click on the post button at the top right. And guys, you just need to choose the photo by clicking on this icon, and from over here you can choose the photos and click on add button. Then you'll be easily post the photos. This much for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest video and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.